Unleashing potential. Understanding, don't pull any stops. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often confuses learners. Don't pull any stops. This expression has a rich history and is widely used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of its meaning, origins, and how to use it correctly in conversations. Don't pull any stops is actually a misinterpretation of the correct phrase, which is, pull out all the stops. This expression means to do everything possible to achieve a goal, sparing no effort or expense. It's about using all available resources or methods to ensure success. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it often appears in both formal and informal settings, conveying determination and intensity. The origin of "pull out all the stops" traces back to the world of pipe organs. In these instruments, a stop is a knob or lever that controls the flow of air to the pipes. Pulling out a stop allows air to enter a set of pipes, producing sound. When all the stops are pulled out, the organ plays at its loudest and most grandiose. This action was metaphorically adapted into language to mean using all available means to accomplish something. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's look at how to incorporate "pull out all the stops" into our conversations. The team is pulling out all the stops to ensure the project's success by the deadline. For her final performance, she pulled out all the stops, leaving the audience in awe. Using this phrase correctly can add a layer of richness and nuance to your English communication, showing that you're making every possible effort to achieve something. A common mistake learners make is confusing "pull out all the stops" with "don't pull any stops." Remember, the latter is not widely recognized or used correctly in English. Focusing on the accurate expression will help you communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, "pull out all the stops." We hope this video has illuminated its meaning, origins, and usage, enhancing your English language skills. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with discoveries, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep practicing and don't hesitate to pull out all the stops in your learning journey.